Good day, folks. This is DaBeerBear. Today we're gonna make stuffed wine leaves. What we need is obviously wine leaves. I soaked them in the water yesterday overnight to take the excess salt off of it. It was too salty. For the filling, to make a beautiful filling, you need 4 onions, 2 cloves of garlic. This is rice. It's soaking in the salty water to take its starch off. 350 grams. Salt, parsley, black pepper, sumac, tomatoes, tomato paste. Obviously, it's called Zeytinyagli sarma. Stuffed wine leaves with olive oil. Olive oil is our best friend in this food. In this recipe, we don't need any chopping. We peel the onions and then we divide them into 4 pieces into the food processor. Okay, now it looks full. We chuck 2 cloves of garlic in it. I'm gonna add up the other onion later on. Now I'm gonna add up the last onion. I've got only half a kilogram of wine leaves. If you've got more wine leaves, you might need to adjust your ingredients, like the amount of rice, amount of onions, everything. Oh yeah, looks good to me. What I do is, I take the half of it in the rice. I'm gonna mix some parsley in it. I'm gonna mix extra tomatoes in it. I'll take half of this in the rice as well. I'm gonna add a bit of sumac. I am measuring with my eyes. This much of sugar, the black pepper. Just a bit of tomato paste and parsley and the rest of the tomatoes. And of course, olive oil. Oh man, you should smell that. It smells so good. Smells beautiful. Now the parsleys are chopped, tomatoes are chopped, everything's chopped and ready in just 5 minutes. Chuck it in the rice. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add a bit more olive oil on it. Let's mix them. Filling is ready. I'm gonna rest it like half an hour and then I'm gonna start rolling the wine leaves.
A few minutes later.
Everything's ready. This is the outside of the leaf, this is the inside of the leaf. So we're gonna put the filling in here. Let's do it. I'm just gonna use my hands. You get a bit of filling, put it inside. If you like fat wine leaves, fill it too much. If you like thin wine leaves, fill it less. If you got the stems on your leaves, which I don't have unfortunately, put it on your pot. Tastes amazing like that. I love it. Let's roll them. I'll see you when I finish them. We finished rolling our wine leaves. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. We put few lemon pieces on it to give it a bit of zestiness, and then we put 2 pre-plates for them to not to rise on top of the water, and then we turn the stove on, and then we're just gonna add up boiled water. There you go. And I'll watch it. If it needs a bit more water, I'll add up a bit more water. It's gonna be ready in about half an hour to an hour. Depends on your leaves, obviously. And when it boils properly, we're just gonna put it on the smaller stove, and then it's gonna cook slowly. And then obviously, we're gonna add up heaps of olive oil too on top of this. There you go. I was forgetting about that. This is the most important thing. See, everything tries to rise up about water. To prevent it, we use these plates. Well, I'll see when it's ready. Okay, now I turn the stove off. See how they are. You should smell the house now. That was hot. I burnt myself. So hot. Well, I would like to taste it, but it's so hot. That's how you do it. I'm just gonna show you the inside. Oh, see that? It looks nice, man. Amazing. Okay, so that's it. I recommend you to serve it with a bowl of yogurt next to it. If you like garlic, make it garlicky. That's how it's done. Enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That encourages me to make better content for you guys. Now, get the hell out of here.